everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Polygon tool for creating custom shapes in Paint. Start by opening Paint and locate the Shapes section on the toolbar. Next, click the Polygon tool. To begin drawing, click once on the canvas to place your starting point. Then move your cursor and click again to create the next corner of the shape. Continue clicking around the canvas to add additional sides and angles. Each click creates a new straight line segment connected to the previous point, allowing you to build custom shapes with as many sides as you need. When you're finished, either double-click your final point or click back on the starting point to close the shape. Once the Polygon tool is complete, Paint will automatically connect the last point to the first point, creating a fully enclosed custom shape. And that's it. Thanks for watching.